so excited for this one. Get it? Lava, volcano, dinosaurs. You get the idea. Let's do it. It's Mount Simo all over again. Here we go. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom all over again, boys. Get over here, you freaking dog. Holy Jesus. Man, that sounds satisfying. Here's number 3. For a second there, I thought that said Monkey Team, but it's just Money Team, unlike Team America. But oh no, this one looks cool. We're gonna do it. Let's hope whatever happens last time doesn't happen again. Sweet. Oh boy. Oh! Almost hit my foot. That was cool. Ladybugs! Oh, I mean, jitterbug. Still, it's technically a ladybug, but we're doing this one anyway. Let's hope no ladybugs come out of this one, or any kind of bug. Whoa! Awesome as heck. Here's the last one. Crystal Fountain. I bet this one's gonna be beautiful. Let's hope the last one's worth it. Jeez, smoke is coming toward me. Whoa! Got a lot of crack-a-lacking going on here. Wow, that is cool. Whoa, it's getting dangerous. Oh yeah.